Have you ever been in a situation where you're unsure if a woman is truly interested in you? Maybe you've wondered if she's just being nice, or if there's something more going on. Let's face it, women aren't always straightforward when it comes to expressing attraction. This can make it really tough for any man to figure out when to keep moving forward or when to take things up a notch. Today, we're going to decode this together. I'll share 10 key insights that a woman is genuinely interested in you, and toward the end, I'll give you 2 actionable tips on how you can confidently escalate things if you notice these signals. So stick around. This could be a game changer for your dating life. First things first, let's talk about proximity. If a woman physically moves closer to you, that's often a good sign. You might be thinking, isn't it normal for people to move around? Sure, it is, but when it comes to attraction, this is different. There's a whole field of study called proxemics that focuses on the physical distance people maintain between themselves and others. In Western cultures, we usually have 4 distinct zones. There's the public zone, which is more than 12 feet away. Think about how much space you put between yourself and a stranger on the street. Then we have the social zone, which ranges from 4 to 12 feet, like when you're chatting with the Amazon delivery guy. The personal zone is about 1.5 to 4 feet, and it's typically reserved for friends and close acquaintances. Finally, there's the intimate zone, which is less than 1.5 feet. This is where we get up close with people we have strong, often romantic feelings for. So, if she's positioning herself within that intimate zone, it's a powerful indicator. She's not only entering your personal space, but also allowing you into hers. Keep in mind, this isn't always a guaranteed signal. Maybe you're sitting next to her on a crowded subway, or she's just really comfortable around you. What's crucial here is the context. No sign works in isolation. The more signals you pick up on, the clearer the picture becomes. If you have multiple signs aligning with the vibe between you and her, you're on the right track. Another major clue is eye contact. If she can't seem to take her eyes off you, there's a good reason behind it. Picture this. You're at a coffee shop, and the woman walks in. She's stunning, and you find yourself stealing glances. Women do the same thing when they're attracted. If she's interested, she'll look at you multiple times, maybe even across the room. Body language experts suggest that women often make the first move by making eye contact or holding a gaze. The trick is to differentiate if she's looking at you because she's attracted or you just have something stuck in your teeth. Always read the situation and look for multiple signs that go together. Speaking of signs, let's talk about how she makes herself available. If she's finding ways to clear her schedule and openly tells you she's free, that's a solid indicator. You've probably experienced this yourself. When you want to hang out with someone, you make it happen. She's doing the same if she's interested in you. If she's proactive about checking your plans, or she's ready to meet up whenever you ask, that's another strong signal. Remember, effort equals interest. If she doesn't make time for you or dodges your invites, it's a clear sign to move on. Now, notice her emotional state around you. If she's smiling a lot, genuinely laughing at your jokes, even when they aren't all that funny, and appears happy, she might be interested. Pay attention to her smile. Is it just her lips, or does it involve her whole face? Authentic smiles involve the eye crinkling cheeks lifting, signs that she's genuinely enjoying your company. Women tend to express positive emotions around people they like. So if her demeanor is upbeat and relaxed, you're on the right track. And don't overlook the power of playful teasing. If she teases you in a lighthearted way, she's comfortable around you. Teasing is often a form of flirting. It shows she's open to engaging with you on a more personal level. So if she's calling you Mr. Smarty Pants or playfully challenging you, that's a good sign. Teasing, after all, is meant to provoke a response and create deeper interaction. On the topic of touch, if she's physically touchy with you, this is another indicator of interest. Maybe she puts her hand on your arm or playfully taps your shoulder. Touching you is her way of building a physical connection. But again, context matters. The setting and the relationship dynamic play huge roles in interpreting touch. If a coworker is being flirty and touches your hand, that can mean something, but it doesn't mean you should escalate things too quickly. Always gauge the situation and respond accordingly. Halfway through, if you're finding these insights valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Saint Sub 70 times 7, where we delve deeper into the art of becoming a competent, alpha-minded man. Moving forward, watch for her touching herself when she's around you. No, I don't mean in a provocative way. Women are generally more sensitive to touch due to having more nerve endings in their skin. If she's playing with her hair, touching her neck, or fiddling with her jewelry when talking to you, this could be a subconscious signal that she's interested. It's like her body is unconsciously highlighting areas where she might like you to touch. If she's sending you photos, especially ones that are personal or candid, this could be another sign. Sending photos is a way to stay on someone's mind. It's like she's opening a window into her life and saying, hey, remember me? But be cautious. If she's sharing thirst traps publicly, it could mean she's looking for attention from other men as well. Focus on the context of the photos she sends you directly. Also, consider if she's dressing up specifically for you. Women want to look good for men they're attracted to, just like you might put on your best outfit to impress her. She might wear something eye-catching, accessorized in a noticeable way, or even choose a perfume she knows you like. The more effort she puts into her appearance when she knows she'll see you, the stronger the signal. If she wants to see your place, that's often a clear sign of interest. However, it could be for two reasons. Either she wants to evaluate how you live, or she's looking to initiate something more. Always remember that even if she comes over, it doesn't automatically mean she's ready for physical intimacy. Consent is key. Always ask before taking the next step. Now, let's talk about what to do if you see these signs. Remember, one sign on its own doesn't mean much, but a combination of them, that's where the magic happens. If she's showing multiple signs of interest, mirror her actions. If she moves closer, you move closer. If she's holding eye contact, hold it back. Matching her energy shows you're on the same page. And lastly, if you want to escalate things, always ask. Contrary to popular belief, asking for a kiss or asking to hold her hand doesn't ruin the mood. It enhances it. When done confidently, it shows respect and builds a deeper connection. Stand close, look into her eyes, and ask. It's simple and straightforward. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on how to build confidence and navigate the dating world, hit that like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos on how to level up in every aspect of your life. See you in the next one.